Pastor Cecilio P. Santiago, and Mr. Donnie Sales. Good afternoon, Pastor and Sir. To our beloved school president, Mr. Danny Barres. Good afternoon, sir. To our beloved school director, Mrs. Flory Barres. Good afternoon, ma'am. Teachers, my fellow graduates, parents, students, and visitors. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. 6 years ago, as we stepped the portal of this school, we started to meet new schoolmates, new friends, new teachers, and this new environment. As time goes by, we learn many things that broaden our knowledge, but the time is so fast, we never realized the effort provided to us by our parents. The support they extended to us, not only financial but also spiritual and moral. Therefore, I take this opportunity and envelope also to my classmates and graduating class, and would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our parents. As a proof of our success in finishing another ladder of our dreams. We are not here today marching and receiving the diploma as finishing elementary education, secondary education without your support. To my papa, always away from us, but he sees that all my needed has been provided and always guiding me the right path. Thank you, Papa, and you're the best Papa in the whole world. To my mama, who always tried to guide me in all things I have done in order to have a good result in my undertaking in school. Thank you, Mama, and I love you. As we bow down to this momentous purple of our career, we would like to express our thanks to this institution as we step ahead from another milestone of our career. Some of us here will continue to be nourished by this institution, but others may seek another school. Without the knowledge that we gain to this institution, we cannot continue it with flying colors. To my classmates, especially Gaidos and Jomart, thank you for your friendship. Thank you for all our mentors for imparting us your expertise and knowledge in order to learn new things. We will not forget you as we continue to climb the ladder of our career. To my parents, especially to my papa, continue your untiring support, and I will promise you I will not fail you. Thank you once again, and good afternoon to all.
Thank you, Kenneth, for your